guys, what's up, lovely? Here today, my name is Angie, and today I'm going to give you 5 skincare tips for rosacea. I know rosacea can be a total struggle, but hopefully with these tips, you can find your skincare routine to be better and improved. So, if you want to know what these 5 skincare tips are, please sure to keep on watching and remember to subscribe. Going to go in any specific order. I'm just going to go in randomly. So the first tip that I have for you guys is if you are uncomfortable like taking medications, I really extremely recommend this medication that I take for my rosacea. It's called Doxycycline. My dermatologist prescribed me it when my rosacea was really bad about almost a year ago. I did not have rosacea at all until I went to a dermatologist and they told me that I had rosacea, which is why I was having very bad flare-ups in the nighttime and I didn't know what it was from, but it made sense, and the doxycycline pill helped so much. Like literally I barely have any flare-ups now, and if you are comfortable taking medication, I really recommend it because it just changed my life, not lice. My flare-ups are barely anything. Like, for example, if I go in the sun and it's beating down on me, of course I'm going to have a flare-up. Or like if I'm laughing or if I'm smiling, of course my cheeks are going to get very rosy. But I do not get the painful flare-ups in the middle of the night anymore. Changing my skincare regimen did help, but I believe that the pill helped the most. And it did not give me any side effects whatsoever. So the second tip that I have for you guys is just to take care of your skin and use Rosehip. Rosehip has so many benefits. It is insane, especially for rosacea. It's very soothing. It calms redness. It's just, I will give you some tips on the screen right over here, just because I want to show you guys the benefits of Rosehip. It's just insane. I'm going to show you 2 products that I use in my regimen that does contain rosehip seed oil or rose water, whatever. The first one is I use this toner. I do tone my face, but I do very lightly. I use the Garnier Soothing Facial Mist. It has rose water in it, and I love the way it shows all the ingredients on the back of what like the benefits are of each ingredient. The second product that I do use that has rose water or rose hip seed oil in it is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Facial Oil, and it has rosehip seed in it. If you are looking to help your rosy cheeks and just like help with your redness, I really recommend rosehip seed oil, rose water, just anything you can get your hands on. It's just that contains rose water or rosehip seed oil. You are going to love it. And then the next thing that I have is just to use face masks. So I'm going to show 2 recommendations that I have. These are based off of my sensitive skin. So any face mask that has cucumber or avocado or any soothing agent will be amazing for you. Like the third tip I have for you guys is to use face masks once a week or twice a week, whatever you like to do. Just face masks are amazing, and the first one that I feel like it really helped with my flare-ups as well is this cucumber peel-off mask. I got it at CVS. Yeah, do not use a silicone spatula with this cucumber face mask because it will not apply it very evenly. But just any face mask with cucumber or avocado or any soothing agent will help you a lot. And then the next mask, that if you do not like peel-off mask, I also love sheet masks. So my other face mask that I do really like is the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Kind Skin De-Stress Sheet Mask. Around 2 to 3 times because there's so much essence in it that it's just amazing, and all the products that I use are from the drugstore, just so that you guys know off the bat. It's amazing. It's very soothing. I leave it on for like 15 minutes. I'd probably get 3 uses out of this. So I just really like those masks, but just get any soothing mask that you like and that's good for your skin personally. So the 4th tip that I have for you guys is pretty weird, but it does help with not just rosacea but also acne. It is ice. ice your face at least 1 time a day. I like to do it personally 2 times a day, but if I'm feeling a little bit lazy, I do it 1 time a day at least. Ice is just very soothing, and just like kind of move it around very quickly so you're not getting any ice burns on your face. Just be very gentle, and I also do it on my neck as well. And when I'm washing my face, I use warm water, not like hot water or cold water, lukewarm water while I'm washing my face. And then once I finish, I will use kind of coldish water just to finish it off. And I just feel like it's very soothing. And then after I finish kind of taking off my cleanser and everything, I will then go in with my ice, and I just use 1 ice cube, rub it around my face, and I'm good to go. And then I just pat it off, and then I use my toner, which is the Garnier toner I mentioned earlier. And the 5th tip that I have for you guys is to use good, amazing moisturizers. Moisturizers just are amazing, honestly. My favorite line for moisturizers are the Eucerin Redness Relief lines. I like to use this one in the morning, this one at night. When you're looking for a day moisturizer, always get one with sunscreen. Sunscreen will help protect your skin from the sun, and the sun is just very harsh on like rosacea, because your cheeks will get really red and they'll hurt a little bit just from the flare-up that you get from the sun beating down your face. So be sure to use a moisturizer with sunscreen. It does not have to be this moisturizer. It can be any moisturizer as long as it has sunscreen in it, or as long as you're using a moisturizer and then applying a separate sunscreen on your face. So I also like to put it on my neck as well, and this one I like to use in the night. So they're both very soothing. Basically, just get any good moisturizer. I like my day one because it is green toned. So I'm going to show you guys. It has like a greenish tone in it, so that it'll be like very like because green cancels out red. So I like the fact that it is green, so that in the daytime, if you have like a flare-up, it's going to cancel out the red from the flare-up. The night one, of course, doesn't have any green tint in it because it's just a night cream. No one really is going to look at your face in the nighttime. You're just going to go to sleep afterwards. So I really recommend those products to use. Those Eucerin products, they're kind of pricey in the drugstore. They're around like $11 to $13, I think. But I like to stock up on sales, and they do have some sales every so often at Walgreens, so be sure to purchase them on sale. One more thing, if you do apply makeup, be sure to apply like a what's it called, like a primer that has like a green tint to it. I really like the e.l.f. like tone down, something like that primer. It's green tinted, and it will help tint your makeup or tint your face so that it won't look as red. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful in any way. I know rosacea can suck. It honestly, I hate it. But as long as you find ways to just benefit it and just like try to avoid most flare-ups as possible, you will be happy, and you'll be at least content with your skin, because I know there's no like fixes to it at the moment, which is unfortunate. But as long as you find ways to kind of avoid the flare-ups that you will get, or painful flare-ups that you will get from the rosacea, you will be happy, and your skin will be happy. So I hope these tips I hope you found these tips any helpful in any way. And if you did, be sure to comment down below if you have rosacea, or what products do you use to help maybe other people in the comment section. And be sure to subscribe so you can see more content like this in the future. And once you finish subscribing, be sure to hit the notification button down below so you can notify it on your phone every single time I upload a new video. I upload every Sunday. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and share it with your friends with rosacea so that it can help them. And remember to wear your crown, not found, and stay beautiful. And I love you guys. Bye.